Hi, and welcome to the course on Mastering Computer Vision with OpenCV in Python, where you'll learn all the core computer vision basics, code almost 50 exercises, and complete 12 very fun mini projects. So what exactly is computer vision? Well, computer vision is an amazingly fun and cutting-edge field of computer science, and it actually seeks to enable computers to understand what's being seen in an image. Now, computer vision has always been a big part of the AI dream of making machines that can actually see and understand the world around us, just like the Terminator robots. However, there are many things that makes computer vision quite a challenge. So, why is this so hard? Well, there are so many reasons, starting firstly with camera, sensor, and lens limitations. Camera sensors are particularly bad in low light conditions, producing noisy images like this. Or what if we wanted to zoom into a small segment of the image? You would get a very pixelated image here, and that's a limitation of both the sensor and the lens. So what else makes it so hard? Well, what about viewpoint variations? Here's one image or one statue taken at different viewpoints. What about changing lighting conditions? Scaling issues? Non-rigid deformations. This basically means that an object like a horse looks different according to how it moves itself. Occlusion. Occlusion is basically partially blocked or obstructed images. Background clutter. Generally, this image here is an octopus that's to camouflage itself into these rocks quite well. And what about trying to pick up an object in this noisy or cluttered image? That's going to be quite a challenge. And what about object class variation? Here, there are so many types of beds here. How does an object recognition algorithm know that this here is a bed and this here is a bed? It's going to be quite tough. And finally, we have ambiguous images or optical illusions. This here is a sidewalk drawing. It's not actually a real tower and a hole in the pavement. And this here is a common optical illusion where you either see two faces or a vase. And this here is a very common optical illusion where you can either see two faces or a vase. So now that you've seen how messy images can be, you should take some time to appreciate how amazing the human brain is at understanding images and video. Aside from this last slide, none of the previous issues present any real difficulty for us. And yet, despite those difficulties I mentioned, computer vision scientists have had many success stories, such as self-driving cars or face detection and recognition. What about image search engines, license plate recognition, handwriting recognition, Snapchat and MSQRD face filters, object recognition, even ball tracking in sports. And by the way, we'll be doing an exercise where we actually implement our own face filters as a mini project, as well as doing simple handwritten digit recognition as well. So that's going to be pretty cool.